In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your WordPress site. Whether you're looking to start fresh, declutter your digital space, or simply move your content elsewhere, deleting a WordPress site is a big step. But don't worry, I'm here to guide you through every part of the process in a crystal clear, easy to follow manner. First things first, navigate to wordpress.com. This is your starting block. Think of it as your digital front door to all the behind the scenes action of your site. Once you are on wordpress.com, you're going to want to log in to access your dashboard. Look for the login button, which should be pretty straightforward to find. If you're someone who loves the convenience of not having to remember too many passwords, clicking on continue with Google is a great option if your account is linked. This way you can use your Google account to log in quickly. You'll encounter a screen asking you to select which Google account you'd like to use, so go ahead and choose the one that's associated with your WordPress site. Once you've selected your account, you'll see a prompt to continue. This is just another layer of confirmation to ensure that you're the one making changes to your account. Go ahead and click on Continue. Now here's where the action starts. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to your WordPress dashboard. Your dashboard is ground control. From here you can navigate to various sections of your site. But since we're focusing on deletion today, you'll want to head over to My Home. Upon reaching My Home, hover your mouse over the Settings tab and click on General. This is a key step because General is where all the foundational settings of your site live. It's essentially the backbone of your site's operations on WordPress. As you scroll down the General Settings page, keep an eye out for a somewhat inconspicuous option titled Delete your site permanently. I say inconspicuous because it's not something WordPress wants you to find immediately or choose lightly. Deleting your site is irreversible through WordPress, so it's tucked away at the bottom as a final option. Once you find and select delete your site permanently, you'll likely go through a few confirmatory steps. WordPress makes sure you're absolutely certain about your decision because, well, there's no going back from here. You might be asked to download a backup of your site's content. That's a wise choice. Always have a backup before you proceed with deletion. This way you have the option to use or reference your old content in the future should the need arise. Following these confirmatory steps, if you proceed, you'll click a final delete button. And just like that, you've completed the process. Your site will be permanently removed from WordPress. A few things to remember. Firstly, ensure you're absolutely ready to say goodbye to your site. Once deleted, the action can't be reversed through the WordPress interface. Secondly, consider downloading a backup of your site before deletion for safekeeping. Lastly, remember that deleting your site also means anyone who tries to visit your site will no longer be able to view your content. Deleting a WordPress site is a significant step, but whether you're moving on to new digital endeavors or simply clearing out your virtual space, it's a straightforward process when you follow the steps carefully. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, consider subscribing for more tips and tutorials. Good luck with your next digital project.